Me too.
He looks like the hardest guy. Wow! But he's quick. He was easy.
I got him.
You did.
Look. Wow!
He smacked his foot.
How can they hold on to the sword all the way? No.
I don't know.
Well, that's the
I got him.
You did. Good job.
Sully is the winner.
Whatever you hear me say, smack him in the face.
Mm-hmm.
Let me
Did you win, Sully?
Yeah.
Good job.